Hello and welcome back to Satisfactory. I'm here working on my fuel setup. I kind of designed it and redesigned it, and I'm gonna redesign it again a little bit. But I had a problem. I ran out of encased industrial beams, and I'm not fully automating those. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna take a break from this and do that. Come back and finish this afterward. So basically what I'm trying to do here is set up, oh god, I think 40 refineries to process, to get the heavy oil residue. I think it's 40, I forgot my numbers exactly. But I decided we're going to use the pure oil nodes, but we're going to put power shards in them. It really only makes sense to put power shards, or makes the most sense to put power shards in extractors like miners and especially oil extractors, because there's only a limited number of those on the map. So with that we can get 600 cubic meters of oil and then 40 refineries. I think 40 refineries should be enough to take care of 2 pure oil nodes. And I've got a bunch of fuel generators here, but we're gonna... It looks pretty cool, my setup here, but it's got to be reworked a bit, because originally I designed it with without using the power shards in mind, so we're gonna have a lot more oil than I thought we would. Might as well design it with maximum oil consumption from the start, so I don't have to redesign it later. So to get the encased industrial beams, we're going to go to the steel area. Right now what I've been doing for encased industrial beams is all I have is like one constructor at home, and I feed beams into it manually. And that's been fine until now, where I need a lot of beams, encased industrial beams, for these refineries. So we're gonna have to automate those. Luckily, that'll be pretty easy. I want to show one more thing here before we go to steel, though. We're gonna go up to my base. I gotta make a better path up there. So I got a good tip from someone in the comments. I believe PVFD09, I think that's their name, about using summer sloops to boost production of power shards, because early on at least power shards are a limited resource. Whoop. So I got 3 constructors here with summer sloops in them, so we can actually get double the power shards from our input, which is great. I'll take that. So here we got 30, we would have had 15, I think. And then, yeah. Here I put the purple ones. So, yeah, this is a good place to use the summer sloops. Obviously, later, very late in the game, we can produce these power shards, just an unlimited amount. They take these power matrices, which I have no idea how to get, but that's a very late game thing, obviously. So this is helpful early on, up until the very late game, to get all these power shards. So I'm not using a lot of power shards yet, but I might start using them more often. Where are they? There they are. Yeah. So that's a good tip. I'm gonna put this wood away. I'm still saving the bioproducts, turning it into solid biofuel. I thought about doing like liquid biofuel for some reason, but I don't really know that it's necessary. I might just get rid of this. I don't know. I hate to just throw it away, but might be the best course of action. Alright, so let's head over to steel and have a look at that and see how we can get encased industrial beams in there. Okay, we're here outside the steel factory. It's nighttime. The moon is out. Or the sun. I guess the sun is coming up. I don't know. Anyway. We're going to use pipes to make the encased industrial beams. It's an alternate recipe. I think it's more efficient. So we got 720 per minute coming out. What's all that noise coming from? Is there a big guy down there? There is. I guess that would have to be a moon. It is bright. Alright, so first floor we've got... Let's turn on the light here. First floor we got iron ingots. We're going to have to build it down here. So I think the limiting factor will be limestone. Gonna need a lot of it. Are these pure? That's normal. 3 normal, okay. If we use these 3, that's gonna get me if I use Mark II miners, $360 limestone. Oh no, I don't want to use fine concrete. Where's concrete? Oh, did I put down an assembler? Whoops. Constructor. Um, 45 per minute, and that's gonna net me 15 per minute. So let's see. Eight constructors? That's it? Yeah, I guess so. And that's going to be 360 concrete. Or sorry, 360 limestone. $120. Yeah, that's going to be 120 for each miner, unless I overclock them or something. Alright, that's fine. Let's get back up there. So, let's see. We can do a similar thing to what we're doing here. Let's bring in the limestone there. Okay. 8 constructors, huh? Okay, I gotta start the building in the same spot as these. So we're gonna... Oh, wrong way. Gotta be in the middle. Move that to the left a bit. That lines up pretty well. Okay, now 320, that can fit on... Oh no, it's going to be 360. That can fit on a Mark 3 belt, right? No, it can't. No. I can't make Mark 4 belts because I don't have encased industrial beams. Okay. I'm gonna make it easy for myself. Walls. We're gonna pretend like we can make Mark 4 belts. And just not worry about it. And once we get some encased industrial beams, we'll just upgrade the belts. Alright, you're gonna make concrete. I really should have planned all this out before starting. Like, verified the pipes would be enough, but I think the limiting factor here will be the concrete. Actually, let's look at assembler. Encased industrial beam. This one, we're going to use the one with pipes. Yeah, so we're going to need a few more pipes than the concrete, but we'll be producing way more pipes than concrete, so yeah, that's fine. Okay. How many assemblers do we need? $360. 360 limestone. Times 15 over 45. 120. Is that how much concrete I'm gonna get? Yeah, I think that's 120 concrete. So 120 divided by 20. 6. So 6 assemblers. And we're going to do all this on one level. For this, there's no need to split it like we did, like we're doing upstairs. Okay, we got the assemblers put down. That's for the pipes. Oh, I want the lift. There we go. Okay, I've got the recipes set. Let's see if we can get power. Okay, just trying to make sure these are... Is that right? Gotta be in the right spot. Okay. I've got it. Nope. This build isn't quite big enough to use blueprints for. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Okay, let's connect you. Let's connect you. And now we have power to everything. So this isn't going to get me a whole lot. I actually don't know how much we're going to get out of this. But it'll be a good start until we get Mark III miners, and maybe I could put power shards. In the miners to get more concrete or limestone. But we can check. Let's see. 4 per minute. Times 6. Yeah, that's not a lot. 24 per minute. We can do better with power shards and all that. Hey, it's something. Okay, we gotta get limestone in here. We're gonna put all the limestone on one belt. Might have to split them up later if I increase production from these nodes here with power shards or higher tier belts. No way. Okay, let's put down a equipment workshop. I need a bunch of portable miners. 6 of them, to be exact. There we go. Oh, I hope that's 6. Yes. Okay. That's a big chunk. There we go. Oh no. I need encased industrial beams. Alright, we'll upgrade these later. Let's just get some limestone over there. We'll get whatever we can. don't you dare. Where's your... There it is. I want that. Your hog fragment. Alright, where's the other one? I'll take that.
Your symphony invades our temples and echoes along our lattices. Why do you leave?
Growth, the future, an idea, and frankly, you.
Is a tapestry woven with hands or with thoughts?
Both are necessary, yet only one can't function without the other.
We see your echo steps, shimmering symphonies that break upon our temples, but your song is alien.
How long ago did you notice me?
There's no long, there are only spheres.
I wonder, was it always about survival, or is there something more, something beyond?
Consume our blood and you will see our threads.
Okay. I don't understand. There's no long, there's only spheres. I don't know what that means. But, I immediately got, God, what's that movie called? I can't remember. About aliens that visit Earth. And for them, like, time is a loop. It's not a linear... I mean, it's linear, but it's like a loop thing. I don't know how to describe it. Time is just a loop. Goes from point A to point B, then back to point A again. It's not just a linear thing. That's what I thought of when they talked about... when they mentioned time as a sphere. Probably... Probably not what they were talking about, though. Arrival, that's it. That's the movie I was thinking of. Let's see. We're gonna get... put the foundation down here. There we go, just a little funky bridge. I'm gonna use a merger. We can reach. Yeah. Easy peasy. And these limestone deposits are all next to each other. Let's use a conveyor 3. And go as high as we can. I gotta get back up there. Okay, where are you? There you are. We gotta get power down there. Oh, I can't reach it. Ah, there we go. I gotta get a conveyor pole. Let's see. It's gonna be a little bit awkward. But hey, it works. Okay, that should be getting a limestone in there. We're using, yeah, Mark III's here. We'll do the straight belt. Perfect. Yeah, there it comes. Easy peasy. Last thing we need, pipes. There are several ways we can get pipes down here. The easiest way to do it is after they've all been combined right here. Let's see here. We put a splitter. Let's say... Oh, is that going to be too close to connect with a... that connects. It looks goofy as hell. Okay, that's got to be a... Okay, Mark III. Okay, that's fine. These boxes and everything, I'm going to redo this section anyway once I get trains, so it doesn't really matter that it looks a little bit goofy here. And then... we gotta get you where? Here? Alright, I think that it's gonna do it. Let's see. Oh man, I don't have my copper wires in in a dimensional depot. Oh, I ran out. Darn. Well, it's basically done anyway. I just gotta build a dimensional depot up there. And then we can get the output here inside the dimensional depot. But it's running. Yeah, this will get me... It'll get me a bit. It'll get me 24 per minute. It'll be great when I can upgrade the belts here, because it's not going to be enough to run all of these constructors, I think. We're going to need the Mark IV belts. I'll upgrade the miners as well. And then this will be running full blast. And it's upgradable. Once we get the Mark III miners, we can just add more constructors down the line there and get more output, because this isn't going to be a lot, but it's a lot better than I was doing. It's fully automated. No more hand filling beams into one constructor, which worked for a long time but is no longer working for me. Alright, so I'm going to end the episode here, and then, yeah, off camera, I'm just going to get that dimensional depot up there set up, and then I'll get the outputs up there in the dimensional depot, and then we'll get back to fuel. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.